Okay, guys, so we're going to continue working with solving equations that have variables on both sides, also have numbers on both sides. And the only difference now is that we're going to have to check if the equation has like terms that we can combine on any side of the equal sign. So if we look at this equation and I look on the side of the right, I have a negative 8 here that I could combine with this negative 6. Okay, those are two like terms. So to combine those, I'm going to go to the number line that I have on the bottom. I could stand on negative 8 and move 6 steps to the left and land on negative 14. So my equation is now going to be, and I'm just going to change that color, 5x minus 6, nothing happened there, negative 14 plus 3x. I combined that negative 8 with that negative 6, and once I combine those two like terms, now I have a negative 14. Now that I've done that, I can continue solving that equation the way we were doing the equations before. So I'm going to start by getting rid of the x's on one side of the equal sign. So I'm going to start getting rid of this positive 3x by subtracting 3x's on both sides. These cancel out. 5x combined with negative 3x, that's just going to be positive 2x. You can do that on the number line if you like. Minus 6 equals negative 14. Now I'm going to get rid of this negative 6 that I have here. So I'm going to do plus 6 on both sides of the equal sign. These cancel out, and I end up with 2x. Negative 14 plus 6. Well, if we're not sure about that, I'm going to stand here on negative 14, and I'm going to move 6 steps to the right, and I land on negative 8. Okay? Now, my last step is to divide by that number that's multiplying the x. Remember that 2 there is multiplying the x. I'm going to divide by that. These cancel out, and I end up with x equals negative divided by a positive is a negative. 8 divided by 2 is simply 4. And we're done.